I know what is this region and that region. And I am not a regional party.
Yes.
We are a national party. I am proud of being a national party.
Right.
Regional party has its own place, and national parties also has got its own place. My point is very simple. This is an emotive issue. We should not rake up emotive issues. We should not politicalize also. We cannot take the names of the people who are not here to defend.
No, I already said.
My point is coming back to the issue. Coming back to the issue. There are national parties, there are notional parties also. Coming back to the issue is how do you go about implementing what has been promised in the Act? Okay, ma'am. Secondly, the government has taken a decision in principle. The minister has made it very clear. Then MOVE has started. He wrote a letter to both the chief ministers and also to Chief Justice. And the court has given some order. As rightly said by Sri Vinod Kumar, the court has given some opinion about the location of the court.
Yeah.
There is a practical problem the entire house and country must understand. If you have to locate a high court in a particular place, it will take some time. So the one suggestion that was given by... you don't understand.
Please, this is not the way.
Then people will ask you, what are the promises you have made, why you have not implemented in 14 months? It's a practical problem, ma'am. With all seriousness, I am telling you. To set up a court, you need place identification, then construction, all these things. The suggestion given by Sri Vinod Kumar, it appeals to me. I told him privately, I told my minister also yesterday, and I told them also to discuss it also. The Telangana government itself is coming forward to say that the Andhra Pradesh High Court can be situated in Hyderabad for some time till alternative arrangements are made. That as in the case of the state capital of the Andhra Pradesh being in Telangana as of now along with other institutions. That's a very meaningful suggestion. So, but this issue has to be clinched again before the court where a petition is pending. I only request the minister, I will be requesting the minister, is my colleague, saying that this suggestion also can be placed before the court, and then at the end of it, we must get a satisfactory resolution by the court, because we should explain to the court also the practical difficulties in adhering to the court order that was given, saying that you go and locate the court there as per the Act and all. This is an arrangement, transit arrangement, temporary arrangement. We can work on those lines, and I hope that the law minister, who is a seasoned person, he will understand the spirit behind the request made by Sri Vinod Kumar and other friends, and I see a merit in that can be examined, and the government can take further action, including taking the High Court into confidence. But without disposing it, government unilaterally taking action is not practically possible. My friend Jitendra Reddy was saying me it's a political decision and all. Political decision is already taken. That's why we supported it. But question is now administrative action has to be taken. Administrative action has to have the consent of the court. Finally, we are deciding about the High Court. So High Court also has to be taken into confidence. The government will be moving in that direction. I request my friends not to politicalize this. Bear with the government for some time and see whether the government is really sincere or not. You will come to know of it shortly.
Right. Yes. Srinivas ji, now he has already... Please, you don't... I know him.
No.